Seton Hall University, established in 1856 by Bishop James Roosevelt Bailey and named after St. Elizabeth Ann Seton, is a prominent private Roman Catholic institution located in South Orange, New Jersey. It is one of the oldest diocesan universities in the U.S., operated by the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Newark. The campus spans about 58 acres and features a blend of historical and modern architecture, with buildings constructed from brick, stone, and glass, including notable structures like President's Hall and Jubilee Hall. The university is dedicated to providing higher education with a focus on liberal arts, Catholic values, and various fields such as law, business, education, and nursing. It also plays a key role in research and community engagement, aligning with its mission of service and social justice. While Seton Hall does not have skyscrapers or tall buildings, its rich history and commitment to academic excellence make it a significant educational institution in the U.S.